Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Danias Maridayat. I'm from Office Administration D3 Study Program. I want to present the result of my fieldwork practice on the trip of the Unitary National and Political Division of Vigilance. The things that will be discussed are as follows: the intent and purpose of fieldwork practice, the profile of agencies, organizational structure, general activities, implementation time, the field of work that I do, and finally the conclusion. The purpose of fieldwork practice itself is to increase insight into knowledge, experience, and train soft skill and hard skill students in the field of office administration, then prepare themselves for practice to face the world of work and become graduates who are competent and also with high integrity, and implement the knowledge that has been obtained from lecture to fieldwork practice. Profile instance when I practice fieldwork is the type of the unitary body of the national and politics, which is addressed at Laksda Yosudarso Street, number 27, Kebon Bawang, Tanjung Priuk, North Jakarta, DKI Jakarta. Then the organizational structure of the national and political unity agency, namely led by the head of the agency and has 4 subfields. The first, namely subfield business arrangement. The second is subfield of ideology of national and political insight. And then subfield of vigilance. And finally, subfield of economic resilience, art, culture, religion, and society. I'm in the subfield of vigilance that has is preparation of operational, work plans and program of activities, and the service of vigilance to carry out strategic plan and documents for the implementation of the budget of the agency in accordance with its duties, carrying out supervision, control, monitoring, and evaluation of licensing and non-licensing on vigilance. The vigilance itself coordinates 3 organizations, namely the first, the Community Early Vigilance Forum, the second, Forensic Monitoring Team and Forensic Organization, and the last is Monitoring and Handling Social Conflict Team. Then, when the implementation of fieldwork practice is carried out starting from August to prepare the document needed. Then, in September to February, the fieldwork practice activities that count for 5 months. And I make a report on the result of fieldwork practice in December. The areas of work I do are secretarial, correspondency, and office automation. In the field of secretarial work, that is given me tasks of handling incoming and outgoing letter, and filling the letter that I have been received, and then also I was given the task to prepare coordination meeting activities such as preparing the room and preparing logistic in the form of eating and drinking. Then in the field of work correspondency, I do more activities to make letters such as assignment letters, attachment letters, coordination meeting invitation letters, and meeting attendance list. And lastly, there is the field of office automation, work in the form of using office electronic equipment, such as printer. Printer are often used after I make or type the letter, and then directly in print to be sent to another division. While I operate my printer, also use my Excel and its function. I use it to imitate the task to calculate the honorarium list received by each team and individually. The conclusion I can draw as a practice is the first, student knowing how to receive and handle incoming and outgoing letters in order to the stage, preparing coordination meeting activities, and procedure for managing mail archive and how to the storage process. The second is student know how to perform coordination activities such as creating a tax letter, attach letter of member names, and member attendance list letter on Microsoft Word. The last is students know how to implement the use of printers machine and data processing process using Microsoft Excel by using the function that Microsoft Excel has provided. That's some presentation for me. Sorry if there is a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.